Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon here from Naya Nazmabad cricket ground, and we have come down to semi-finals of Kings Karachi Premier League Season 2 powered by Winterland. It's FB Area Tigers versus Clifton Lions first semi-final. Khalid Latif led FB Area Tigers will be batting first, their favourite decision at the toss we have seen so far in this tournament. These are the playing 11 for this crucial match. FB Area Tigers, Shahraza, Ali Ishaq, Khalid Latif the skipper, Sohail Tanveer, Haider Abbas wicketkeeper, Wahaj Riaz, Arbaz Khan, Nadir Shah, Najib Khan, Wasim Ali and Asadullah Hamza.
दूसरी जानिब अगर क्लिफ्टन लायंस की बात की जाए, मुर्तज़ा हुसैन हानी कप्तान है, आमिर बरकी है, नासिर नवाज है, मोहम्मद अफजल विकेट कीपर, आरिफ शाह, अफाक खान, उस्मान अफरीदी, तारिक खान, सलमान मिर्ज़ा, जल्लाद खान और हुज़ैमा तनवीर पर मुश्तमिल है क्लिफ्टन लायंस की टीम.
It's pitch number 4. We are ready for first semi-final. The two umpires are also walking out, Fahim Bukhari and Shahid Aslam. We are now in the knockout stage of this tournament. Kings Karachi Premier League Season 2 powered by Winterland. You are watching it on Pakistan's first sports channel, Jio Super.
खेल का बाकायदा आगाज हो चुका है.
Ali Ishaq in the gap, straight away for a boundary to start off this first semi-final.
पहली गेंद से बाउंड्री लगाने का आगाज कर दिया है अली साक ने. अच्छा शॉट था ये, ड्राइव किया, बड़ा खूबसूरत अंदाज से, गैप मौजूद था जिसका भरपूर फायदा उठाया अली साक ने.
Shahraza, a chance of a catch there, a running catch to take first wicket. Huzaima strikes.
हिट लगाने चले थे और थोड़ी पीछे पड़ी हुई गेंद थी. देखें उठा के खेले, लेकिन मैडॉन के फील्डर बड़ी जाफिशानी के साथ गेंद पर लपके और कैच मुकम्मल करके शाहरजा की इनिंग का किया खात्मा.
A change of end for Huzaima and he strikes from this end as well. Shahraza walks off after scoring just 2 runs in this important match.
इस मर्तबा फ्लिक किया है शानदार तरीके से, गेंद को दूर जाके फेंका है अरबाज खान ने 6 रन के लिए.
What a shot that was. Absolutely stunning. Look at this. What a strike. And it was big enough to cover that ground distance. Oh, bold! What a revenge here by Salman. In the block hole. And a perfect way to take revenge of that 6.
पहले लेग स्टंप पर बॉल की, छक्का कंसीड किया और उसके बाद यॉर्कर लेंथ ऑफ स्टंप पर बॉल की, गेंद बैट से लगने के बाद स्टंप से जाकर टकराई. अरबाज 7 रन बनाने के बाद आउट हुए. 21 के बाद 2 एफबी एरिया टाइगर्स.
Ali, straight one. Arif Shah will have to chase this. The ball is so quick to reach that boundary rope.
Gave himself room, found the gap for a 4. This is good, positive batting from Ali Ishaq.
Dropped the ball short and it was an easy picking for Ali. Pick up shot that is effective enough from Sohail Tanveer. He used the pace, Kraft catch it, but he placed it well. It's a boundary to end the over. 40 for 2 after 6. He goes offside. He's found the gap beautifully. Absolutely spanked away by the left-hander Ali. Wide outside the off stump. He pays the gap to pick up 4. He goes onside this time. That goes all the way. It's a big strike. Ali is finding middle part of the bat. Up goes the arms. Much needed maximum for a batting side. Federal Bay Area Tigers. Now they have started to get on a roll.
That was carved on to the onside by Ali Ishaq. It was a straightish delivery. It was not drifting down leg. He made sure he connected, timed it.
Oh, that's got to be a boundary. Sohail Tanveer for the second time played that shot. He lags that shot, swept away, perfectly placed, and put enough back on that. Well timed. Here comes the big shot. Should be a wicket. Two men are converging. There's a chance. Got him. Good take. He covered plenty of ground. Kept his eye on the ball. Now Tariq has got the reward.
Lapse in concentration maybe, or trying to go too hard. Did not connect it at all.
He didn't get to the pitch of the ball. He just tried to stand and deliver. And in the end, he just got the height, only got the sky. Didn't get enough length. 12 to his name, 12 or 14. 63 for 3 on the board, Federal Beta Tigers.
उनका शॉट लगता यही है कि बीच में मारा है, गैप बना के 4 रन्स के लिए. इसी तरह की बैटिंग की जरूरत है.
अली इसाक ने इसको मिडॉन के ऊपर से खेला है, गेंद जाएगी बाउंड्री के बाहर. तो अली इसाक ने ऐलान किया है अपनी न्यू सेंचुरी का. फाइनल में मर्द बुरहान 51 रन बना के नॉट आउट है. इब्तदाई क्रिकेट इन्होंने अपनी मलिर पाक स्टार में एनआर एकेडमी से शुरू की. नदीम शाद इनके कोच थे. आज शानदार न्यू सेंचुरी मुकम्मल की सेमीफाइनल में. मर्द बुरहान साबित हो रहे हैं.
मैं अभी कह रहा था ले जाएंगे, लेकिन फिल वक्त तो अली इसहाक ले गए बॉलर को. ये भी यॉर्क करने की कोशिश की थी. बहुत ही उम्दा शॉट और सीधे बल्ले के साथ.
और इसको ऊंचा खेले हैं वाज ने. आज गेंद जाएगी ग्राउंड से बाहर. एक और छक्का. तो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता ये पार्टनरशिप आगे बढ़ते हुए.
अच्छा फायदा लिया और गेंद देखा कि थोड़ा ऑफ स्टंप पे जरूर था, मगर इतनी रीच थी उनकी कि वो आगे पैर बढ़ा के जो है वो स्वीप मार सकें. और वहाज वैसे भी बहुत ही अच्छा खेलते हैं.
दौरान गैप मिलेगा यकीनी तौर पर. 4 रन भी मिलेंगे. वाज रियाज को इस ओवर का इख्तिताम बाउंड्री के साथ किया है. 117 3 विकेटों के नुकसान पे 14 ओवर के बाद.
मौजूद तो बहुत है और अच्छा कट 4 रन्स के लिए. कहते ही जो है गेंद ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर था, उसको पूरी तरह जो है भर के कट मारा है.
वाज रियाज ने बल्ले ही बल्ले कर दी डग आउट के अंदर. यकीनी तौर पर अंपायर ने दोनों हाथ फजा में बुलंद किए. इस ओवर में 13 रन लूट चुके हैं अब तक. 395 छक्के हो चुके हैं.
बहुत अच्छा शॉट. उसी तरह उसी जिस तरह स्वीप मारा था एक दफा, इसी तरह और लंबा पांव निकाल के जो है और मिड विकेट के ऊपर से होता हुआ पार्किंग में चला गया.
Outside edge over the short third man. Goes for 4. Useful boundary. Very full. Very quick. He just opened the face of the blade. Got the elevation. Got a boundary.
Good delivery.
Oh goodness me. Off the inside edge. Goes for 4. Yes, this is clearly off the bat. No bias. No leg bias. Boundary for the left-hander Ali. Gone. Clean him up. Salman has got the breakthrough. Try to play across the line. Ali. He missed it altogether. And Salman has got the breakthrough.
Yep, went for that big shot. It wasn't there. Did not have the room to swing at it. Salman Mirza, once again, very cheeky. Brought that one in. It moved with the seam. Got a bit too good for Ali Isaak to hit away towards the onside. What an innings. 75 of just 61. It's 152 for 4. Played.
Missed it. Missed it. It's a bad miss. Should have been stopped. Very casual, not quite acceptable at this level.
It absolutely flew towards the man at fine leg. Short fine leg, I should say. Khalid timed it to perfection.
Has got the height. Has he got the distance? Not quite. Should be taken. Gone. Easy catch. And finally a fine innings has come to a close. Wahaj has tried to find the boundary. And he's got plenty of height but not enough distance. He has to walk back. Usman has got the breakthrough.
Both the battle and the war won by Usman Khan there. Tried out the runs in the second last over. That was a good catch. Wajraz walks back for 46 of 31. It's 160 for 5.
Down the track he goes. He's got the height. Somebody wants it. Will this be taken? Oh, he has caught it. What a blinder. Usman has picked up a blinder. Goodness gracious. Is it the catch of the tournament? Kept his eye on the ball and it's an unbelievable grab. Danish.
Are you serious? That was absolutely unreal. At one point I thought, no way he's catching that. Just takes out one hand, hangs it in the air, and it drops right into it. Oh my God! That is just unreal, Farooq.
I just can't believe it either. Khalid Latif's brief innings is over. He goes for 7. Gone, stumped. 2 in 2 for Tariq. Wasim came and went. He danced down the track, missed it altogether. Wicketkeeper did the rest.
Well, the momentum is shifting here. It's definitely shifting in favor of the Lions. At one point, the Tigers were targeting at least 180 plus. They haven't gotten to 170.
Will they come back for 2? They have no chance to come back for 2. What an over. What an over. 20 overs have been bowled. Just 3 of it. In the end, Federal Beta Tigers posted 163 for 7 after 20 overs here in first semi-final.